Hi, this is Spring Level 2, Week 7 and 8 lesson plans. First, we have our vault stations. Our first station will be a leg strengthening station, and they'll be doing box jumps up and down off a height appropriate block. Next, we'll be working on our vault, so they'll do their run, proper hurdle, jump to the board with 2 feet, and working on their handstand, flat back, keeping their arms by their ears and their feet together. Next will be a running drill. The students will push the block, keeping straight arms and using their legs to run as fast as they can down the runway. Next will be a core strengthening station. The students will lay on a block, lift their chest and legs up off the mat, and holding their arch hold for 10 seconds. Floor stations. Our first station, the students will be working on their handstand, fall to bridge, keeping their shoulders over their wrists and their arms straight. Next will be a straddle press handstand drill. They'll start on the floor, do their first straddle roll, and then try and press and roll connected down the panel mats. Next, they'll be working on their cartwheel step-in. The students will start in a lunge on the panel mat, place their hands towards the end, and land stepped in, feet together, ribs round. And our last station will be coach's choice of skill. Bar stations. Our first station will be a monkey crawl on the high bar, working on keeping a tight, straight body with feet together and traveling all the way across the bar. Next will be a glide swing. The students will hold the bar with straight arms, keeping their ribs in, and glide out with straight legs. Next will be a crash drill. The students will squat on and then forward roll off the bar. And the last station, the students will be working on their birdie perch on the back bar independently. So they'll start in their front support, hands together, climb up 1 foot at a time, balance, and jump to a safety stop. Beam stations. Our first station will be complex with a coach, and the students will work on various walks with their coach to their own ability. So they'll try their forward in releve, their sideways, backwards, step kicks, arabesque kicks, passe, bear crawl, and donkey kicks. Our next station, the students will be working on independent dismounts off the side beam, so they'll start with their round off and move on to their front handspring. On the side low, they'll be working on their handstands on the starting in a lunge and finishing in a lunge. And last, we'll be working on kick up to side handstand and hold against the wall.